Laitkam Vacancies i dan hapo District AYUSH Society East Kasih Hills District nang ta kini labuk lang jang ka BSF Composite Hospital nang ta kane ka ECHS Station Headquarters Shillong berkane ka CGS WC Shillong tapi ka wahid ngoi pat nya pachua jang ka District AYUSH Society East Kasih Hills District kane de ka work interview ka baki khot ya artali ki post haka khat pratari workers aro 4% khat pratari 4% nadu kopor lai baji kereta ka registration kat sedang nadu khandai siteng mestap hadu khat ar baji mensngi tadang ta palat ya khat ar baji mensngi nang pediang show yaki kena banwan lai ya ka registration ta nang tai kot kesabaran kam hapen biang haki original kapor bawan lai ya ka interview document certificates and original are to be produced at the time of the interview. Kami kadai hapo district AYUSH Society naka national AYUSH mission kadai contractual basis. Artali ki post kawai chong AYUSH medical officer kajing siu kadai South Hajar pat ka panch karma technician kawai ka post kajing siu kadai khat ar hajar. Kadon kajing pakla kajing tip barim kita khat hajar tinggal pelip enta la ai rong dak sao kan khat ar hajar kadai kadon ka jimpen thamai khandian AYUSH medical officer integration of homeopathy into mental health care and awareness and preventive measures. Qualification PG qualified in homeopathy registered with board or council of homeopathic medicine Meghalaya. Preferable with 2 years clinical working experience, preference will be given to candidates with experiences in psychiatry and mental health programs. Upper age limit lipo R teman lipo news na bagi SC ST hanya bor R kini kita lagi post kacing siu sapo hajar ta AYUSH medical officer nanta panch karma technician kadai tang action rang kadai jing siu R khat ar hajar diploma course in panch karma minimum 1 year duration from recognized institution preference 1 year working experience tekane kaca katrai kadai apa 50 bedded integrated AYUSH hospital kebaran apa sorah ini kedai kitchen pentep naga district medical health officer pada pedro udah member secretary jangka district AYUSH Society East Kasih Hills District Shillong. Tejong patch akan ka buat interview nam tagi kart lagi kam specialist doctors ophthalmologist but GDMO hapa BSF Composite Hospital pa umpling Shillong. Ke court naga benta contractual appointment jangka specialist doctors Kapu specialist doctors ki khot yaki ophthalmologists contractual general duty medical officers apa BSF Composite Hospital Umpeling Shillong Meghalaya on contractual basis. Date and place of interview by BSF Composite Hospital BSF Campus Umpeling Shillong Meghalaya 79306 ka sngi walk interview kadai nadu khat pratarik hadu arphotarik August arjara pusan kajing sius nam tak specialist doctors kajing siu kadai prapusan hajar manu panai for whole period of contract naga benta ki general duty medical officers kadai nyu pusan hajar manu panai for whole period of contract dan ata kasnam mendai bempalat akan repu nyu snam tadi way per educations professional regarding vacancies qualification terms and conditions pelaban lain baik apa BSF website jangka bsf.gov.in or bsf.nic.in tinggi page kena kawai percaya Central Government Health Scheme kebaran apa Shillong kam kadai pharmacist kam clerk khot nam takitoki retired pharmacist kam clerk homeopathy application invited from retired pharmacist kam clerk homeopathy for appearing in interview for filling up the vacant post of pharmacist kam clerk homeo on purely contract temporary and contractual basis for the CGHS W Shillong and Impal under CGHS Shillong as per terms and conditions established below, who have retired from central government, state government, PSUs, autonomous bodies. Age not exceeding 64 mendai palat akan ribu saus 6. Nangta diploma certificate course in homeopathy from recognized institution. Last pay drawn minus fixed pay as per DOE OM dated 19/12/2020 kaneka consultant pay. Artily number of vacancies artily kawai kapu support CGS WC Imphal but kawai pat kadai Kapu support CGHS WC number 2 opposite Raj Bhavan Shillong. The duration of contract kadai 6 năm until the joining of regular pharmacist come clerk whichever is earlier. Preference candidate who has work experience in CGHS and knowledge of computer shall be preferred. Last date of application kadai 18 August 2025. Philaban apply dengan Laitkam Office of Additional Director CGHS Nongrim Hills Shillong 793003 or email to ad.cghs-mac@gov.in. Arpun tarik kadai ka sengi interview. Tang yapat sa ka jingpen tepat kani ka wai kadai hapo haka ex-serviceman contributory health scheme station headquarter ECHS cell Shillong. Laitkam arteli lab tech patka DO or clerk data entry operator or clerk. Dan nakabenta ka lab tech kasnam kadai san produsnam gajing siu aro praja cispa antara DEO or clerk Sanpulai Snam RPR Hajasan Spark Athletic age limit. Dalam lab tech minimum qualification dari BSc Medical Lab Technology or 10+2 with science and DMLT. Or class 1 lab tech course Armed Forces minimum 3-year work experience. Dan DEO or clerk graduate or class 1 clerical trade Armed Forces minimum 5-year work experience. Tanang ta kadai jemput 8 tip haka khandai tarik barki ong ka last day kadai to submit to OIC station headquarter ECHS cell Shillong within 21 days from the date of publication of advertisement. Tarik hadok kadai kain arpoi sengina dok ka khandai tarik August arajar pesan namar hak khandai tarik August ajar pesan 8 mi haka kikot kupor. Dan nangta penbiang ikut keselabaran kam haporwan le yaka interview. Now preference will be given to the ex-serviceman yang mereka post pak arteli kin I preference yaki ex-serviceman. Dia kena ke contractual basis kadai po ECHS Polyclinic Shillong kadai contractual kadai nakabahado live way 3 August March cara pesan kelaban renewal kad kemudian kam angin hi kecil pentep mangidan ban asyapi ku belai sibon.